Testing, testing. Okay, okay. 10%. Boom. Alright, so here. Alright, about a year or so ago, I bought the Cobra Stinger. And I bought them by accident. Well, I actually bought two by accident. I bought one, and then I forgot I ordered two more. So I got a total of 3 Cobra Stingers. And I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them right now. So this is the Cobra Stinger. If you guys don't already know, they are on sale at Walmart for like 70 something dollars, but when I bought mine, they were $99. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox them right now. Ooh, this is the big bad boy. So they come with the packaging, the crates. I think these are the missiles. I can't remember. We'll see. Ooh, and they come in a package like this. Look at that. And they come with instructions. And again, the instruction is not that bad. Not that bad. Boom. Just 2 pages, 1 and 2. All right, so here is the figure. This is the Cobra Stinger driver. So I just noticed this is the second one that I've opened up, and normally they would give 2 different head sculpts, you know, a white skin and a dark skin, but it looks like all the Cobra Stingers are African-American descent, so I don't know, maybe they might come randomly in other vehicles. I don't know, what do you guys think? I got one more to unbox, so let's see if it comes out. But again, normally they give 2 head sculpts. That's what they've been doing with it, like the legacy figures, like the firefighter, the divers, the marine sniper. So yeah, they didn't give an extra head sculpt. All right, how do you get this thing out, bro? Take that out. It's like a big puzzle. There we go. Take that, boom. Gotta get this thing out of there. Ah, there's a tape. Boom. So here is the Stinger. Nice. In this plastic, very clean. Okay, there we go, look at that. It's got a moonroof. Or you can actually take these things off, I think. Yeah, you can. So you don't need to actually have these doors on, you can actually take it off. Like the Vamp. That's cool. It's got mirrors right there. You guys see that? The winch. Cool. All right, let's see. Where are the wheels at? So here's another package right here. This is the weapons for the Cobra Stinger. And other accessories for the vehicle. Other accessories. So here's like the top of the vehicle, top of the Stinger. Put that back on there. This is Cobra Stinger driver's accessories. Got his helmet, fire extinguisher, a couple rifles, his pistol, extra magazines. This goes on the hood of the Stinger. So it goes, which way does it go? Oh, this way. So you just hook it up right there. Just snap it in there. Boom. Done. And this, I'm not sure what this thing is for, but you put it on the roll bar right here, or front bar, whatever these things are called. And it's supposed to look like that. Shovel. Put the shovel up front. Obviously it's not. There we go, snapping in. Shovel's right there. Let's get the wheels. Oh, before we get the wheels, let's put this on here. This is for the rockets. The missiles. There we go, boom. So this will take less than like 10 minutes to unbox. Or not unbox, but put together. It's fairly easy. I thought I would have to do a lot of like connecting and all that stuff, but it's not that bad. Everything's already pretty much where it's supposed to be. Oh shoot, I got that backwards. Got it backwards. Boom. There we go. Just snap it in there. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Now let's get the wheels. Let's get the wheels. Here are the wheels. Boom. I don't think they are directional or anything. I think you can just put it on the vehicle anyway. I'm just double checking, just making sure they're good to go. Because I don't know if once you snap it on, I don't know if you can take it off. There we go. And there you go. It's pretty much done. Look at that. That was so easy. So easy. Let's see. Let's see how this looks without the doors. Can you come off? You should be able to come off. Oh man, that's a... You should be able to come off, bro. Why are you having difficulty coming off? It's having a bit of an issue. I'm sure you can take it off, but I'm trying to see how we can take it off without breaking stuff, you know? Oh, here we go. Whew, man, that was something. Boy. Ha! Jeez. There we go. That's what it looks like without all the top. And also notice that the windshield goes down. Look at this. Look at that. It flops down. What? Did not know that. Clip it back in there. It's tinted windows, man. That's kind of cool. All right, let's get the driver in. Let's get your knife out because you cannot go without your weapons. Comes with a weapon here. It comes with his knife. Put it right in there. Boom. Nice. Whew. He moves fairly easy. His joints. Look at that. That one's a bit tough. But sit down. Turn his head. T-pose. So it's fairly easy, not too hard. Watch your elbows. Do you have pinned elbows? You sure do have pinned elbows. What the heck? Bro. Why do you have pinned elbows? You got pinned joints. Dude, this is horrible. Horrible. Okay, let's get him in there at least. Got pinned elbows, pinned joints, bro. Come on, let's get that hand on that shifter, that gear shifter, bro. Ooh, and it moves. The shifter moves. There we go. I don't know if you guys can see him in there, but there he is. There he is. Oh, let's get your helmet on. You need your helmet. Boom, boom, boom. There we go. Nice. So again, I got 3 of these bad boys, so yeah, it's gonna be cool taking pictures of these outside. It's gonna be nice. Ram bar. So this is a ram bar, but heck, this thing is sharp. You can just pierce a zombie with that thing. Boom. So this is a second stinger, so I'm gonna go ahead and open the third. Oh, that's what this was. These are the bombing effects. Let me get that out for you guys. Bombing, smoke effects. And also comes with this other platform right here. So this goes on the back. This goes on the back. So you just clip it on back here. Boom. Fairly easy. There you go. That's where Cobras would be standing up on, but I'd be scared to stand up on that thing because the rockets are in the back. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Done. But yeah, smoke effects, bomb effects for the missiles, right? So that's what that was in that box. This is cool. Like it. One thing I'm kind of concerned about is like how wobbly these wheels are. They're just very, very wobbly. See that? There's no steering column, so that kind of sucks, but still. That just kind of worries me. The wobbliness, but it looks awesome though. Looks cool. All right, that is about it. I'm gonna go ahead and open the third one. And again, once I get all these things set up, I will be taking some awesome pictures and do some setup, do like some short clip movies or something. The one thing I'm worried about is the whole voiceover. I'm not good with voiceover, so I'm gonna try my best though. This thing right here is gonna get on my nerves. Look at this. Boop. Comes off really easy. That's gonna get on my nerves. All right, that is it. I'll see you guys next time.